Torrential slide value equivalent to 257.09 rands a coin. The present cost range, 255.78 268.62. The earlier day close, 260.36. The change was 3.27. 1.26%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 271 rands, high 290, low 252. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost 284 rands, high 304, low 264. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost 280 rands, high 300, low 260. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, July 13, cost 271 rands, high 290, low 252. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost 267 rands, high 286, low 248. In multi-week torrential slide figure on Monday, July 17, cost 269 rands, high 288, low 250. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost 273 rands, high 292, low 254. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, July 19, cost 275 rands, high 294, low 256. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost 280 rands, high 300, low 260. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, July 21, cost 287 rands, high 307, low 267. In about 14 days torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost 271 rands, high 290, low 252. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost 275 rands, high 294, low 256. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost 268 rands, high 287, low 249. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost 280 rands, high 300, low 260. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost 274 rands, high 293, low 255. In 3 weeks torrential slide gauge on Monday, July 31, cost 287 rands, high 307, low 267. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 280 rands, high 300, low 260. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost 294 rands, high 315, low 273. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 311 rands, high 333, low 289. Torrential slide figure on Friday, August 4, cost 312 rands, high 334, low 290. In about a month torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 302 rands, high 323, low 281. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost 300 rands, high 321, low 279. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 244 rands, excessive cost 307, while low cost 228. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 267. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 287. Change for July 17.6%. Torrential slide estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 287 rands, exorbitant cost 343, while low cost 260. The found the middle value of cost 303. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 321, change for August 11.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 321 rands, exorbitant cost 321, while low cost 262. The found the middle value of cost 297. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 282, change for September 12.1%. Torrential slide estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 282 rands, exorbitant cost 282, while low cost 233. The found the middle value of cost 262. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 251, change for October 11.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 251 rands, exorbitant cost 266. While low cost 232. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 250. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 249. Change for November 0.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 249 rands, excessive cost 269. While low cost 233. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 251. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 251. Change for December 0.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 251 rands, excessive cost 251, while low cost 213. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 236. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 229. Change for January 8.8%. Torrential slide gauge for February 2024. To start with cost at 229 rands, exorbitant cost 285, while low cost 229. The found the middle value of cost 252. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 266, change for February 16.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 266 rands, exorbitant cost 289. While low cost 251. The found the middle value of cost 269. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 270. Change for spring 1.5%. Torrential slide gauge for April 2024. To start with cost at 270 rands, exorbitant cost 293. While low cost 255. The found the middle value of cost 273. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 274. Change for April 1.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at 274 rands, excessive cost 332. While low cost 274. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 298. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 310. Change for May 13.1%. Torrential slide gauge for June 2024. In the first place cost at 310 rands, exorbitant cost 317. While low cost 275. The found the middle value of cost 300. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 296. Change for June 4.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at 296 rands, exorbitant cost 322. While low cost 280.